Not help me before. I stand again in road. I say another car like auto coming. I'm stand for road. I say Baba help me, Baba help, I'm crying. But that man, you stand like that side, you say Baba, what happened? I said Baba help me, take me any police because I need justice, take me any police. But auto man, you take
No, kitchen iron.
Where are you from?
I'm from Uganda.
Why you come here?
Huh?
Why you come here in Tripura?
Why come? Where?
Here. Why are you come here?
For India?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm coming India for nothing.
Okay.
Yes. I'm student in Bangalore.
Where?
I'm student in Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Yes.
Where are you studying? What are you studying?
Huh?
What are you studying here? There.
Nothing.
Huh?
Nursing.
Nursing. Okay. And why did you come to Tripura? It is Tripura, no? Or Agartala?
Okay.
Why you came to Agartala?
No, I'm coming Agatala because I have my friend for that side.
Okay. You have friend here?
Yeah.
Where? Do you know the place?
But I don't know name her place. I don't know name her.
Okay, you are here. You are here to go to your friend's place. You are here to go to your friend's place.
Place?
You are here to go to your friend, to meet your friend.
But we are never going because I don't know.
No.
anything
Can you tell us the name of your friend?
I don't understand.
You said your friend is here, no? Why?
It's going very far. You leave it in load, you take it for inside bush. But you reach in bush, she stop it car. You understand? I said, Baba, why you take me here in bush? Like nobody.
What was the time?
Like
It's the night.
Yes, so I reach for bush like around the 10. But you ask me, Baba, why you take me here? You ask me, police checking in load. I asked me, police checking in load. But me, I don't any problem. Maybe police can check, go. No problem. Me, I talk in police because I have passport. She said, now, she asked me again. But I ask I need water. Taxi man asked me, okay, sit, I take you for hotel. But you take me.
From where you take the taxi? It's in Agartala.
That side, yeah, in road.
South side.
No, but I don't know.
You have taken the taxi from Agartala, and you want to go to the hotel. Then what happened?
Not Agatala for station.
Station, okay.
No, in road.
Okay, road. Okay.
You take me in road.
Okay,
But road, taxi moving.
Okay.
But I sit in taxi. Small one, white one, but I don't know her number.
White one. Okay.
You take me.
You are alone in the taxi.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm alone. It go like 1 minute. She go like another place. She stop. You take it another man. You understand? She take another man in a car.
Okay.
Ask you, Baba, what is it? Why you take another one? This is a private car, not sharing. You say no problem.
Okay.
You take me. She's driving.
Okay.
Lock it for door in car. She driving. I asked Baba, why you take me long? Where are you take me? He said no problem. She enter in village. I asked Baba, why you take me village? But she not talk for me again. She had talk for.
And you came alone in Agartala? And you are coming from Bangalore? You are coming from Bangalore?
Yeah, I booked the train. I got Delhi. I from Delhi.
No, you are studying nursing in Bangalore, right?
Yes.
And right now you came from Bangalore to Tripura.
Right now,
No.
I told you I'm booked from Bangalore.
Bangalore to Agartala.
To Delhi. I'm from Delhi
To
Agartala.
Okay, from Delhi to Agartala.
Yes.
Through train.
Train.
Okay. And you are here to meet your friend Lisha.
Yes.
Where do Lisha lives? Lisha जो आप Lisha, where do Lisha lives? Where is the home of Lisha?
Home?
Lisha's home.
My dear, I don't know for Lisa's house. I ask you. I reach here. I want call. I want book hotel. You understand?
Okay.
I stay for hotel. Then Lisa.
Okay.
You come pick me tomorrow.
Okay.
Maybe you send me location.
Okay, we got it.
Yes.
We got it. Okay, thank you.
I call my brother's wife.
Okay.
You see this man you can call for Indian. Yes, I call my brother's wife India.
India. She's in India.
Yes. India. I say my dear in-law, talk for in your brother in your language. But she don't know me can talk. You understand?
Okay.
I call. Yes, for this guy, this wife I can call. I talk in your language, but I don't know. He said, okay, mama.
And after that?
Like you say, okay, mama, you ask me off phone. I off phone. I put it my bag, car bag. She leave it car. You take inside. I have my smaller bag here. I have bag for inside.
Okay.
But this man, he asked me, leave, okay. Leave my car. You take me inside bush. Like two people stand that side. Then one people, she take in car driving. Like she want to go. She go, but two people.
With the car, with the taxi?
Yes, taxi man. Like two people.
Taxi man go away?
Yes, this not go. Just she go stand another side.
Okay, nearby?
Yes, near.
Okay.
But this man, two people, you call my bag inside. Then like another one, you want to call my small bag here. I asked me, Baba, why you carry it my bag? Why are you take me? I say you come, we go. You want to go that down. I say I'm not going anywhere. Okay, Baba, take you go. Leave for me. I'm from very far. I'm not Indian. I'm from Uganda. Take your everything, we go. But this man, you touch me like this. You touch me well. You want to kill me. Like, I touch it like this. This man will remove me.
And after that?
Yes.
They stolen your things and gone away?
She take everything.
Okay.
Only me and like this and that phone.
Okay.
You take it like
And after
this.
that, how you came here? How you came to the police station?
Yesterday night, yes, but I'm shouting, no people help me. I'm shouting, no people help me, but I'm very down in bush. I don't know, Lord. I'm stranded.
Mm.
I'm going like I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I'm running. I don't know where I for going. But see, God help me. I reach in road, main road. I stand it in main road. In bush again, no people that side.
Okay.
I stand main road, but I stand it main road. I see car. In the bush, me and that man for 2 months are on me. But in small time, I call another man.
You call?
No, taxi
The
man.
taxi. Okay.
She called another man. She came back. She said like 3 people.
3 people.
Inside the bush. I'm shouting.
That was a tea garden. You know what is tea garden?
Tea?
They took you in a tea garden. You are telling bush. Is it a tea garden? Auto. No, tea garden नहीं होगा सब अच्छा, okay, you continue. After that, 3 people came.
Yeah, yes, like another people. They coming. You ask me, Baba, where are you going? But she talk. I don't know English. But I don't know her talking. I asked me, Baba, why you talking like live like that? Asked you take me hotel. Why you take me here in bush? Just you ask police checking, police checking.
Okay.
Yeah, you talking police checking.
Yeah, we got it. After that,
that man for driving car, he come back and car. He stop. You stop that side, but you stop. You come back here. He told me, Madam, maybe I don't know can talk, but I don't know your language. But this one will ask me, Madam, another people. She's moving like this in my back. You understand? But that man, you take me like this.
okay.
This man, you take me like this. Another
Okay.
Then, for that time, this man, maybe I don't know who, I take it my everything. I take it my anything. This is the part for her, Madam, she give me. I take my everything, my passport, my phone, like this phone. That phone, big phone, inside bag. Like this one, I have it in my hand. Like that one, you take me like this. This one, she need that phone.
So they taken away your 2 bags, and your passports and monies are.
And my money, my everything, my clothes, anything. I don't have any. I'm here like this. But you need take this phone, another phone. I put it phone like this. Because but that man is me like this. I put phone like this. But you take phone like this. Then my brother's wife, that girl, she called me again.
Okay.
But you call me. This man you remove it another like 3 people. This man you come, you touch me like this. Maybe you don't want die here. Bring